Hey everyone, it's Dr. Zelina with Acupuncture. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Today I am going to show you how I use my dynamic duo in skincare, and I'm going to show you a little bit of my beauty and skincare routine and how I utilize my dynamic duo, which is I Am Fresh and I Am Glowing. I Am Fresh is an herbal skin toner that I developed myself and I hand make at home in very small batches with a lot of intention and prayers, and usually during the full moon. And I Am Glowing is my herbal facial oil that I also hand make myself, and I've been using these products for years. And I used to have acne and a lot of skin issues. I have a history of lupus, so I had the butterfly rash, and these products have changed my life. I made them myself for me personally at first, and then I slowly started incorporating them into my practice because my patients loved them so much, and now I'm offering them to the public. So I wanted to show you how I use these. So first, I use these both night and day. So in the morning after washing my face, actually let me tell you a little bit about I Am Fresh Herbal Skin Toner. I Am Fresh has a combination of spring water, witch hazel, aloe, calendula, arnica, lavender, rose geranium, and peppermint oils. And this is a great combination for freshening the skin, toning the skin. It's also amazing after any type of cosmetic procedure. I don't recommend using it the day of, but the day after and the following days. And this is something that you can use on a regular basis, every single day, twice a day or more, anytime you need to feel fresh. So arnica and calendula, which are the main ingredients in here, are very healing, soothing, and really nice for the skin. So if you have any type of cuts, wounds, scrapes, or if you've been, like I said, you've just had a cosmetic procedure, this is gonna make you feel so good. Plus this is amazing in the summer when it's really hot because it has some cooling ingredients like peppermint and cucumber. So you're gonna just mist it onto your face. It smells amazing too, which automatically makes you feel good. And I Am Fresh is the mantra behind it. So you can repeat that affirmation mantra while you are using this product. Second thing I use is the I Am Glowing oil. And let me tell you a little bit about I Am Glowing. I Am Glowing has almond and argan as the base oil. And these are really nutritious for the skin. It's like food for the skin. And then it has arnica, calendula, which are, again, like I said, very healing for the skin. So they help to calm redness or soothe inflammation or any kind of pain. Lavender, rosehip seed, rose geranium, and tea tree oils, which are all a really nice synergistic combination of essential oils that are going to help to calm the skin, soothe the skin, make the skin glow, rejuvenate the skin, and help with its elasticity. So it improves elasticity, it boosts collagen production, and it's really nourishing for the skin. This stuff is amazing. I Am Glowing is something that you can use on a regular basis twice a day, morning and evening. That's when I use it. It's also really great for after you've had microneedling or any other cosmetic procedure that you need to kind of heal and soothe the skin. I don't recommend using it the day of, but the day after and days following, you can use I Am Glowing, and you are going to boost those dramatic results so that you really see some remarkable results and you look amazing and your skin is glowing. I Am Glowing is also amazing after you do microblading on your eyebrows, or after you've waxed or done any type of hair removal. I Am Glowing is really soothing and really nice for the skin. So you're gonna just take a little bit of the oil. You can also use it as a makeup remover and to cleanse your skin. And I like to just put it on my fingertips and then just massage it into your skin in circular motion. I use this time to also give myself a little face massage, because face massages are great to help you help your skin detoxify. And just put it everywhere, even on your lips, especially around the eyes, and anywhere you want to increase collagen production. And it feels and smells amazing. And it does look a little bit oily at first, but your skin will absorb all of the oil. And if you have oily skin, or if you have acne, you may be concerned about putting oils on your face. And all I can tell you is don't worry, I've done the research. The reason your body or your skin is producing more oil is because of a lack of moisture. Once you balance out the moisture in your skin by utilizing oils, which have been used for thousands of years because they're amazing for the skin, it's food for the skin. Once you balance out the moisture in your skin, your body will stop producing so much oil, and the acne will actually calm down and even clear up. And like I said, these products have ingredients that are going to help calm acne, soothe acne, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They're gonna help with any types of skin condition. If you have sunburns, they're really just like a multi-purpose, all around wonderful skincare routine. It's just amazing. So I highly recommend these two. You can use them both morning and evening. After the oil, you would do your tinted moisturizer and your makeup and go on about your day. I Am Fresh you can use throughout the day. You can even use it as a body spray because it smells so good. So if you guys are interested in those products or you have questions about them, send me a message. Contact information is below this video. If you are interested in purchasing them, you could do it via drzelinamedina.com. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this information was helpful. Please like, tag, comment, and share this information with all of your friends. Have a wonderful and blessed day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.